everyone. So today I am continuing with the standard 12 oxoacids of sulfur. Okay, so this is the last topic of a group number 16. In the next class I will start with group number 17. Okay, we are verged on completing of this chapter. It will take time. 17 group will take time. 18 group is simple. 18 group within 2 days I will complete. Okay, but 17 group it will take time. Today I am going to take a lecture on a very simple topic, that is oxoacids of sulfur. We will see the names, we will see the structures, we will see the basicity, and we will see their oxidation number. Okay, only 7 are there, not much, because in other books they have given number of, but they are not important. Whatever thing is important we will do that. You have to remember that names, remember that structure, and how we can derive from other, we can say that. Okay, so there are number of oxoacids of sulfur, and in that most of the oxoacids of sulfur, there are few acids which are unstable and they cannot be separated into salts. Clear? So you will read the textbook, will come to know this. Clear? So one by one we will see the oxoacids of sulfur. First we will see before going to start sulfur atomic number is 16. If you do the electronic configuration of sulfur, so you will see that 16 means 2, 8, 6, means sulfur is a capacity of making 6 bonds. So sulfur is capacity of making how many bonds? 6 bonds. Clear? So sulfur will make a 6 bond in what manner? 2 double bond and 2 single bond. So this is in this way sulfur will make a bond. Sulfur will make how many bond? Due to 6 electron in the outermost orbit electronic configuration. So see, there are 6 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They will make 2 double bond and 2 single bond. Clear? Clear this part? Okay. So we will see first acid is H2SO3, and the name of this acid you can write down sulfurous acid. You can write down as sulfurous acid. Clear? So you take sulfur, how many bond will be there? And try to balance. Here sulfur is 1 only, but oxygen is 2. Oxygen is 3, so here 1 occupy will be double bond. Why oxygen will occupy double bond? Before that also I told you, oxygen atomic number is 8, and 8 means what? 2, 6 means it require 2 electron to complete its electronic configuration. So here sulfur will give its 2 electron to oxygen to satisfy the oxygen. Now here 1 O will come and here 1 O will come. So this double bond will become 1 lone pair, and this will be H and here this will be H. So H2SO3 is a sulfurous acid, lower oxidation number S, higher E, this all you know. So this is a sulfurous acid, the structure is this. In sulfurous acid, S of sulfurous acid is having 1 lone pair, so this is 1 lone pair. Clear? We will see the oxidation number and we will see here basicity, because we know that acid is having what? Basicity. So see here, sulfur and oxygen, who is more negative element? This oxygen will come here -2, here it will come +2. Here -1, here +1, here -1, here +1. So what is the answer here? +2, +1, +3, +1, +4. So oxidation number is +4. Oxidation number is +4, and basicity how much? The number of hydrogen associated with oxygen. Number of hydrogen associated with oxygen. Number of hydrogen associated with oxygen, that is the basicity of an acid. In last class, when the oxoacids of phosphorus when I have done, at that time also I told you the number of hydrogen associated with oxygen is known as a what? Basicity. Clear? So here how many hydrogen are associated to oxygen? So here this 1 hydrogen and here this 1 hydrogen. So there are 2 hydrogen which is associated to the oxygen, so here basicity is 2. Clear? So this is the first. Take it down. Take a screenshot or write down. Clear? Second will go. Second is H2S2O3. This is known as a thiosulfuric acid. Whenever the name thio comes, so please remember, so thio indicates the bond between sulfur. Thio indicates what? Bond between sulfur. This is the one trick to remember the structure. Thio here indicates the bond between the sulfur. So here see, there is 1 sulfur. As you know, sulfur has a capacity to make how many bonds? 5 bonds. In how much? 6 bonds. How many? 2 double bond and 1 2 single bond. So what will happen? You know, this sulfur will make a bond one more with sulfur. So this is something but your thio bond. This is thio bond. Clear? This is nothing but your thio bond. So here one oxygen will come, here one oxygen will come, here one oxygen will come. So oxygen is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So here see oxygen is satisfied, but here oxygen is not satisfied. Here only he got one electron. So one will be provided by H. Here also one will be provided by H. Here oxidation number is -2. So it will come +2. Here -1 +1. Here -1 +1. SS 0. So +2 +2 +4. And how many hydrogen will be there? So 2. So 2 will be its basicity. So 2 will be its basicity. Clear? Why it is on a thiosulfuric acid? Because it is having SS bond. That's why. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Next, third we will see. We will see pyrosulfurous acid. See H2 H2O5. The name is pyrosulfurous acid. Pyro. It is not H2SO5, it is H2H2O5. H2SO5 is known as a Keros acid, okay, but H2H2O5 is known as pyrosulfurous acid. Pyro means heating. Last class also I told you, pyrophosphoric acid. Pyro means heating. Now what you have to heat? You have to take the 2 moles of sulfurous acid, you have to heat it and to remove the water molecule. So take 2 moles of sulfurous acid. Here S double bond O, OH, here OH, here one lone pair, plus S double bond O, OH, OH lone pair. So I will get the structure here as, see from here H and OH will be removed. So as H2O, what I will get here? I will get here S double bond O, S double bond O, OH, OH, here one lone pair, here one lone pair. So this is nothing but your pyrosulfurous acid, H2S2O5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is nothing but your pyrosulfurous acid. If you see the oxidation number here, -2, here it will come +2, -1, +1, -1, +1. Similarly here -2, +2, here -1, +1, here -1, +1. So we have a 2 sulfur. And these 2 sulfur share how many oxidation number? +2, +1, +3, +1, +4, +4, +8. So 2 sulfur is having 8 oxidation number, S is having +4 oxidation number. What is the basicity? So number of hydrogen associated with number of hydrogen associated with oxygen. How many hydrogen are associated with oxygen? 2 hydrogen. So basicity is 2. Write down this. Written. Why it is known as a pyrosulfurous acid? Because we are heating the sulfurous acid. See, on heating we remove one water molecules. Okay. So on heating we remove one water molecules. We got the pyrosulfurous acid. Point number 2. This oxygen, if you see on each and this oxygen is nothing but what? What is the oxidation number of this oxygen? The oxidation number of this oxygen is -2. Means there is no peroxy linkage. Clear? Done? Okay. So can I go for next? Okay. Fourth, very famous H2SO4, we say as a sulfuric acid, or another name is king of chemicals. Clear? As you know, sulfur can make how many bond? 6 bond, 2 double bond, 2 single bond. So here one O, here one O, here O, here O, here H, here H. So here oxidation number, here will come basicity. Clear? So here -2, I will get here +2, here -2, I will get here +2, -1, +1, here -1, +1. So what is the oxidation number of sulfur? That is +2, +2, +4, +2, +6 is the oxidation number. Basicity is how much? The number of hydrogen associated with the oxygen is known as basicity. So how much basicity is there? It is 2. Clear? Simple. Next we will go with the 5. Fifth is H2SO5. This we say as a Keros acid. Very, very, very important. What will be the another name? We will see this. So sulfur oxidation, sulfur, there is only one sulfur, and sulfur has a capacity to make how many bonds? 6 bonds. Okay, how many oxygen are there? 5 oxygen. So how will arrange? 1 oxygen here, 1 oxygen here, 1 oxygen here, 1 oxygen here. Clear? One more oxygen is remaining. So here one oxygen will come, and here hydrogen. So as it is indicated, it contains OO linkage, so means it has peroxy linkage. So here one more hydrogen will come here. So here minus 2, sorry. So see, here there is one peroxy linkage, it is there, or first we will see the oxidation number. Minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, sorry, minus 1 plus 1. So sulfur oxidation number is plus 5. See, plus 2 plus, sorry, plus 6, sorry, plus 6. Now see here, see this oxygen. From this oxygen and this sulfur, who is more negative element? This oxygen. So he has gained 1 electron. Now I have to compare this oxygen and this oxygen. So out of these two oxygen, who is more negative element? No. Means what is the number of electron transfer between these two oxygen? 0. Now again you see this oxygen. So from this oxygen and this oxygen, who is more negative element? No one. So here answer will come 0. Out of this oxygen and this hydrogen, who is more negative element? This is more negative element, so it will create plus 1. So if you see the net charge on this oxygen and you see the net charge on this oxygen, minus 1, minus 1. And whenever on any oxygen, if net charge is minus 1, so that type of oxygen we say as a peroxy linkage. So yes, Karaff acid contains one peroxy linkage. So what can be the another name? So we will see this another name, or see how many sulfur are there? 1 sulfur is there. How many peroxy linkage is there? 1 peroxy linkage. So what we will say? We will say peroxo mono sulfuric acid. Why sulfuric acid? Why not sulfurous acid? Because see the oxidation number. The Karaff acid oxidation number is equal to the oxidation number of sulfuric acid. That's why here sulfuric acid. So peroxo. Why peroxo? Because it is having peroxo linkage. Mono. Mono means it is having 1 sulfur. That's why. So peroxo monosulfuric acid, or in certain book it is written per monosulfuric acid. That is also correct. If it is written per monosulfuric acid, that is also correct. Why per monosulfuric acid? Per indicates peroxy linkage. Write down. What is the basicity? The number of hydrogen associated with the oxygen. So how many hydrogen are associated with the oxygen? 2 hydrogen. So basicity is 2. Write down this. Done? Done? Take a screenshot. Okay. So next is very important. I am roughing this, okay, because I will need a space, that's why. So better you write down or take a screenshot. Okay. Next is, I can say 6 H2 S2O7. The name you remember, pyro sulfuric acid or oleum. Very famous. Last class only we have done in the contact process. And you know that we can add in the water, and by adding the water in this pyrosulfuric acid, we can get the desired concentration of H2SO4. Clear? So now see here, as the name indicates, pyro means heating. What you do hit? You do hit sulfuric acid. So you take 2 moles of sulfuric acid, heat it, remove the molecule of water. The remaining portion what you get, that is nothing but pyrosulfuric acid. So we will see this. So this will take 2 sulfuric acid, S double bond OH, OH, OO. One more we will take S double bond OH, OH, OO. So when I heat it, from H and OH here, I will get what? H2O. So what I will get here? I will get here S double bond O, S double bond OH. So this is nothing but pyrosulfuric acid, or we say as a oleum. We will see the oxidation number, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. So see this oxygen, on this oxygen we get net charge is minus 2, means this is a oxide linkage, there is no a peroxy linkage. Clear? So now see, how many sulfur we have? We have a 2 sulfur, and out of this 2 sulfur we have plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6. So on 1 sulfur we have 6, on 2 sulfur we have a 12. So sulfur will be having plus 6 oxidation state. What is the basicity? The number of hydrogen associated with the oxygen is known as its basicity. So basicity is 2, because there are 2 hydrogen which is associated with the oxygen. So this is nothing but what? Pyrosulfuric acid, or we say as a oleum, which is the final product we obtain in the contact process. Write down this. last we will see Marshall acid. So there is a only simple technique we have to do. If you remember, for remembering the Marshall acid, just remember the oleum structure. So Marshall acid, that is H2S2O8, we say as a peroxodisulfuric acid. Why we tell this, that also I will tell you. Okay, or we say as a Marshall acid, and this is the industrial name of the chemical, Marshall acid. See, in H2S2O7 and H2S2O8, just one oxygen is increased. So see this structure of H2S2O7, and you decide of your mind that where we can increase one oxygen here only, no? Here oxygen I cannot increase, I will enter the oxygen in the center. So the structure will be, you have to remember the structure will be S double bond O, this was this O, but we have a 7, one more oxygen will be entering and forms the peroxy linkage. So OO, then S double bond OH, OH, O, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is H2, you can see here H2S2O8, and we have one peroxy linkage, so per oxo, 2 are sulfur, so di, and this belongs to oxidation number will be +6, so we say as a peroxodisulfuric acid. If the oxidation, why not peroxodisulfurous acid? See, why sulfuric acid? Because the acids of this kind, sulfur is having oxidation number which is equal to the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfuric acid. That's why sulfuric acid in the end is coming. Why per means indicate peroxo, so this is linkage of peroxy linkage, that's why. Disulfur means two sulfur, so 2 sulfur. Industrial name is Marshall acid. Industrial name is what? Marshall acid. See the oxidation number, we will see -2, here will come +2, -2, +2, -1, +1, -1, +1. From here this oxygen, 0. From this oxygen, 0. From this oxygen, this sulfur, -1, +1, -2, +2, -2, +2, -1, +1. So see this, here on net charge -1, here also net charge -1. So we are getting on each oxygen as net charge as -1. So we are having a peroxy linkage, there are 2 sulfur means di, and the oxidation number belong to sulfuric acid, so it is peroxodisulfuric acid, or we say as a Marshall acid. There are how many sulfur are there? 2 sulfur are there. On each sulfur is +2, +2, +4, +2, +6. So +12 on 2 sulfur, the sulfur will be +6 oxidation number. Clear? And what is the basicity? The number of hydrogen associated with the oxygen, that is its basicity. So how many hydrogen are associated with oxygen? There are 2 hydrogen associated with oxygen. The 2 is the basicity. Clear this part? Clear? So in this way you have to remember the number of oxyacids. These all oxyacids, in most of the oxyacids are not stable. Okay, so they will not form the salts. Lower oxidation number oxyacids are stable, and so they can form the salt like sulfate ions, like H2SO4 will form sulfate ion, and sulfurous will form sulfite ion, yes or no? But higher oxidation number oxyacids will not form their salt because they are unstable acids. That's why. Clear this part? So you can read from your textbook, you can see the number of structures they are available in that textbook also. So that's it, I will wind up the lecture. In the next class we will see group number 17. Thank you.